A rainbow is a meteorological and optical phenomenon that appears as a spectrum of light in the sky, typically in the shape of a circular arc. It is caused by the reflection, refraction, and dispersion of light in water droplets, resulting in a multicolored arc. Sunlight is made of white light, which contains all the colors of the visible spectrum. When sunlight enters a spherical raindrop, the light slows down and bends because water is denser than air. As the sunlight enters the droplet, it refracts, and the different wavelengths of light separate slightly because they travel at different speeds. Red light bends the least, while violet light bends the most. The refracted light travels inside the droplet and hits the inner back surface of the drop. It then reflects off the inner surface like a mirror. The reflected light travels to the front of the droplet and exits the drop. During this exit, the light refracts again, separating the colors even more. Each color leaves the raindrop at a slightly different angle. For example, red light exits the droplet at about 42 degrees, while violet exits at about 40 degrees. This angular difference creates a circular arc of colors, with red on the top and violet on the bottom. Each droplet sends color in a specific direction. You only see a specific color from droplets at a particular angle. A cone of light is formed with your eye at the tip, and the rainbow forms along the circular edge of this cone. The full circle is usually cut off by the horizon, so we often see only a semicircular arc. There are 7 main colors in a rainbow, remembered by the acronym ROYGBIV: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. These are arranged from outermost to innermost due to how much each color is refracted. The most common type of rainbow is the primary rainbow, formed by one internal reflection inside the droplet, with red on the outside and violet on the inside. The secondary rainbow is fainter and appears outside the primary rainbow, caused by 2 internal reflections inside the droplet with colors reversed. Supernumerary rainbows are faint, extra rainbows inside the primary arc, formed due to interference of light waves. Reflection rainbows are formed when sunlight reflects off a body of water, like a lake or sea, and can appear above the original rainbow. Conditions required for a rainbow include rain or mist in front of you, sunlight behind you, and the correct viewing angle, which is about 42 degrees from the direction opposite the sun. The light from each droplet reaches your eye only if it's at the correct angular deviation. The rainbow angle for red is around 42 degrees, and for violet is around 40 degrees. The center of the rainbow circle lies on the line extending from the sun through your head. Additional phenomena include double rainbows formed by second reflections with colors reversed, glories seen from airplanes that look like circular rainbows with the plane's shadow in the center, and fog bows, which are like rainbows but in fog, appearing very pale with no distinct colors. A rainbow is a perfect example of nature using physics to create beauty. It's not an object or thing you can touch or approach. It's an optical illusion, a result of light behavior and observer position.